Hey friends, if you wish to fix Java error 1721 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. First of all, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart your computer. The next solution will be to restart the Windows installer service. This has actually been mentioned on the Microsoft support forum, on the Microsoft Answers forum, and a lot of users have confirmed the solution. So search for services in the Windows search bar and go to services. Scroll down to the Windows installer service. This list is in alphabetical order, so the service would be easy to find. Right click on Windows installer and start it. If it is already started, then we can restart it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.